When these three saints died and went to the kingdom of heaven, they passed on to God, and a small dispute arose. Some were followers of John, some of Gregory, and some of Basil. Each loved their own group. Just as you hear even now, some are disciples of Father Arseni Papaciok, some of Father Hyacinthe, some of Father Justin, some of Father Theophile Parayan, some of I don't know whom. Well, of Father Cleopas. I won't forget him. And so a rivalry began. John of Evhaita, a great ascetic, a holy bishop, one night has a vision, and someone appears to him from heaven and says this to him. Go and tell the people in the assembly that Basil, Gregory, and John are one before the Holy Trinity, and establish for them a single feast, the Three Hierarchs. And they took him by the hand. They took St. John of Evhaita by the hand and led him into the kingdom of God and searched for him among the ranks of the venerable saints. Do you see John or Basil or Gregory? No. Let's go to the ranks of the confessors. Do you see him anywhere? No. Let's go to the ranks of the hierarchs. Do you see him? No. Let's go to the ranks of the martyrs. Do you see him? No. Come with me. And then the angel took him in that dream and led him to the throne of the Holy Trinity. And there was an immense, overwhelming light. And Gregory asked, but what is in this blinding light? Pray to God to reveal it to you. And when God opened the eyes of his mind in the dream, St. John of Evhaita, what do you think he saw? He saw St. Basil Gregory and John serving the liturgy before the Holy Trinity. So, these are the saints we celebrate today, whom we have honored and placed together in a single bouquet and under a single feast, because